Shut up, okay? Move, jackass!
Stop!
Move it!
You'll be prosecuted!
Out of my way!
Stop so I can beat you, little
Idiot! Back off!
Away!
Now, Darby is really stupid, malevolent, and rich. So it will surprise none of you to discover in a future life, he'll end up in Congress. But this is my story, not his. With the trust fund babies under control, it's time to turn my attention to their sworn enemies, those greaseball kids.
So, you must be pretty proud of yourself. You taught those rich scum a lesson.
They're rich, weak bullies, it was easy. They picked a fight with me, and I showed them who was boss.
And Gary got them to pick that fight, so maybe you'll show him as well.
Gary's an even bigger problem. He'll have to wait. Hey! What's this throwback want?
A haircut? A nice strong man to cuddle up to? Who knows?
Jimmy Hopkins, right? My friend Johnny needs your help.
Then tell your friend Johnny to come and ask for it.
Nobody tells Johnny anything. Johnny Vincent does the telling.
Well, he doesn't tell me what to do. Now beat it, greaseball. You're causing an oil slick.
I said he needs your help, man.
Do I look like a charity service?
You're gonna pay for this.
What is wrong with this place? Everyone here either needs help, wants to beat you up, or both.
Well, you know who Johnny Vincent is, though, don't you?
No, and I don't care.
He's head of the Greaser Clique. Get friendly with him, and he can help you get to Gary.
Yeah, maybe. Tell you something, Pete. This place blows.
Tell me about it.
I'm hungry
Man,
already!
I gotta learn karate or something.
I better make a friend soon.
I can't believe anyone likes condiments.
Bullworth is the worst.
Like I want a stinking friendship.
I've got archives to search. Farewell.
Please leave your assignments on my desk as you enter. Oh, right. I didn't give one, did I? Oh, well. Fascinating, isn't it? Good job. Keep paying attention. Very good. Carry on. Satisfactory work, James. I'll see you next class.
Kick it! Ain't no stopping Jimmy Hopkins.
What do you? I want to throw in the toilet, but I'm afraid
Yeah, all
I'll
right,
get
let's do it.
caught. You're not afraid of getting caught, are you?
Hey!
You be doing something else right now.
Hey there, salutation.
This place is really getting scary.
Come on, it's not that bad, is it? Let's use some deadly force.
The washrooms are really yucky and scary.
Bullworth Prefect, halt immediately. I'm not one of you.
Hi.
Can't fucking
Last time I took your off. Disappear, sit back.
I sure hope nobody gives me a wedgie today.
You'll be prosecuted to the max.
Hey! Tough guy!
Like Cicero said, if we respect law,
You should not have done that. Jockstein, you will respect the Bullworth.
Should
You
I
are
clean
to
up my
obey.
act now?
I haven't told on anyone yet. Did you ever forget to take notes in class? I don't think so.
It itches like
You think you're
crazy
tough, huh?
down there.
See ya. Greetings and
Are you inbred or just naturally dumb? And shut up, okay?
You are apprehended. I've got you in my sights. Phew. What? Do they always have to run? You will not escape the long arm of the law. Phew. What? Do they always have to run? Stop in the name of Bullworth Academy. I always get my man.
You fought the law, and the law won.
All right, you know the drill.
Do the assignment and be quiet. I'll just be sitting here drinking my tea.
Well done. That's right. Good one. Good show. Keep it up. Good one. Keep it up. Well done. Good show. That's right.
I'm afraid that's not English. That has to be some sort of slang, yes? Try again, James.
Well done. That's right.
I don't think that's in the dictionary.
Keep it up. Good show. Good one. Keep it up. Good one. Well done. That's right! Oh, you remind me of myself at your age. So full of hope, so full of vigor.
So you want me to have to kick your ass, yeah? I'm sure everyone is really impressed. It's easy when you know how. I said I'd do it.
You're mine now.
¿Qué pasa?
Oh, hey, kid! How do I look?
Great. Who's the lucky guy?
Dr. Watts!
The chemistry teacher?
I don't know what it is about that guy, but every time I get a look at his bald head and manic eyes, I go all gooey inside.
Okay, that's enough information, thanks.
Yeah, it's true. Love is blind.
I sure hope so.
Hey, kid, I need you to do me a favor. Dr. Watts doesn't actually realize that we're going on a date yet. But we are. And I need to get ready. So, can you get me Ms. Phillips' perfume from the staff room? You know where that is, right? Oh, and I almost forgot. Some candy and some sedatives. And for the sedatives, don't buy them. Just look for them in the trash. Yeah.
Okay, I can do that.
Good. Gorgeous.
Well, buckle up as
whittle at a million?
You're fat, you lousy drunk! I'll still beat you even though I've had a skinful!
I'm just gonna collect this.
You gotta know! Act like you even asked! My marriage is crumbling.
Am I handsome? Jerk! Smelly head!
Did you ever go to the office just to talk to Dr. Prince?
I'm sure this year.
Have you seen a celebrity up close? Oh, yeah.
The only law here is the law of the jungle.
Hey, Edna, I got your stuff. Hey, Edna, you old bat, I got your stuff.
How do I look?
Fantastic. If I was 50 years older, I'd date you myself.
Ah, thanks, kid. Where's the perfume?
Right here.
Oh, thanks. I needed that. I get so nervous before a date.
Yeah, well, good luck, Edna.
Hey, kid, wait! I need you to do me a favor.
Another one?
Yeah!
What's in it for me?
Ha! I won't spit in your food.
Will you spit in Mr. Hattricks if I say yes?
For you, kid, I'll do worse than spit.
Okay. What do you want?
I want to go on a nice date with Dr. Watt.
So go then. Have fun.
Yeah, well, you know what you kids are like. You see a beautiful couple out on a date, and you're bound to do anything to ruin it.
You got a point.
So listen, I need you to watch out for me and keep those disgusting kids away.
Job well done.
Hey!
Yeah, well, you made my hit list!
Man, if I had a camera now.
My parents argue.
Get it, please.
I had in the closet.
Get it.
I smell free food.
Have you ever got locked in a closet by your friends? No way! I talked to Dr. Travel Snitch for half an hour yesterday. We're good friends.
Ooh, you're really gonna get it now! Loser head! You're such a new head!
We hit
Mom
hard
says
out
I have a real temper! You'll see!
You're in so. Get out.
You don't have any style! Loser head! I'll get you, mayo stain!
I can sit you scared. Why?
You sorry
choice.
now? I think I broke something!
Why don't you get bent? Yeah, I don't got it.
I'm sorry
That's
for
not
whatever
going
I
down
did
on my
to
watch.
you.
Scuzz bucket!
Move,
Stop that
jackass.
right now!
You won't get away with that! That's against the rules!
A bee? A freaking bee! Galloway ought to be fired. That hack doesn't know poetry from his butt.
I'll beat you later, Hopkins!
Don't do that!
This is for you.
Anger management is overrated when you can beat people.
Hey, what's up?
Move it! You'll be prosecuted to the max! Stop in the name of Bullworth Academy! Phew! They always have to run.
You think you could take me? Out of my way.
Stop so I can beat you!
There will be consequences for that. You will not escape the long arm of the law! Phew! Why do they all—
Idiot.
I won't stop until you are apprehended! Phew! Why do they always have to run?
He's
Back off.
getting away!
You're dressed exceedingly well, Hopkins.
This is war. They still won't give me the key to the city. After all I've done.
I got caviar on my favorite shirt last night. I'm absolutely devastated.
Ah, there you are! About time. Ah, it's so great to finally be out of the kitchen. No, I can't say it. There's food here.
Well, it certainly is.
Edna, what are you doing? You
I know! I've spent many years slaving away to get this food.
Look, it's Dr. Watts!
I'll tell you that.
You know, Edna, I was quite surprised when you asked me to have coffee with you. I never knew you were interested in chemistry.
Are you, like, coming up with biological experiments for the school food?
Lay off the sweet doubloons!
It's all like cooking away in the kitchen.
It seems a student has been leaving muffins in my classroom when I'm not there. But they're just awful. I mean, really bad. I wonder who it could be.
Awful, you say? Why, I mean,
I thought I
don't
smelled
know who
something.
it could be. I mean, kids are so silly. I hate most
Perhaps
of them.
I'll call.
Obnoxious little brats.
Ah, the foolish infatuations of youth. I suppose my mastery of the fascinating subject of chemistry.
Damn noisy plebes!
Edna,
Oh, yes, me too. I imagine they'd be constantly thinking about
Who let Hopkins in here?
the beads of sweat on your forehead and the way your lab coat clings ever so snugly to your backside.
Yeah, you're a scientist.
Sounds like
Hey, Edna, you know I really love the food you cook. Forget about him, baby. Come with me.
Oh, take it all. It's good stuff.
must be the fumes from the lab.
Why are you wasting your time with that wit?
Have some more coffee.
Feeling not good. Oh no! The visions are back! Get back, foul fiends!
Come on, gorgeous. It's about time I show you what I know about chemistry. And a little biology.
I should teach lessons or something. Got it.
Trash like you is not
Have you
wanted.
ever forgotten to take your medication?
Scullery kitchen.
Trash like you is not wanted.
Are you carrying a weapon?
I think Dr. Watts is a real genius.
I will be.